I'm staying in the Martinique section at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Come on in. Here we have a nice table where you can sit in the mornings and drink your coffee. And here's a nice coffee maker where you can make it. It's stocked with plenty of creamers and sugars and cups, so you can have as much as you like. And there's lots of storage for all kinds of clothes, a nice sitting area, and a pull-down bed. And with the addition of these two queen beds, you can comfortably sleep 5 in here every night. And there's even a nice refrigerator so you can keep all your cold snacks and drinks in here cold all day while you're at the parks. Here's the bathroom, and it has 2 sinks so you can do 2 things at once. And you have a separate room with a shower and a toilet so you can get ready twice as fast. That's all for now, fairy tale friends. Bye!